Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Ernie's going to be talking about the importance of a playbook, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description where you can find Ernie's education platform. Enjoy guys.
Creating the playbook is a really smart thing to do. For one, it is getting you more familiar with what are all the criteria that you would normally put trades in, and then over time, seeing what types of situations are more highly predictable or what work best, and keeping track of the context. It's one thing to have a strategy, like I put into the trader's manual, I have a basic strategy, but does it work for all times, all situations? No, and it's not really trying to. It's just trying to provide a framework. The playbook is more of using that, implementing that framework and getting down into the weeds and finding the variations that might compel you to go one way or the other. And over time, and it's going to take a long time, it's not something that you'll discover in one or two trades that, oh, eureka, I found the perfect setup because I've traded it twice and I won. That's not going to happen. It will take dozens and dozens of trades before you start developing the confidence in any particular setup. And for a lot of people, that might seem like a total waste of time. Why bother? Just give me the averages. But it's true that once you start developing a better understanding about what ways to act under all the different variations, that it's going to eventually start providing you with an overall higher return, better numbers, then you start becoming the believer and you start gravitating towards keeping that good record keeping and finding out what works, what doesn't. Now, the thing about it is that not everything works and everything is still a probabilistic game. You can't anticipate the things that could happen regardless of the setup. The setup could be perfect, and then some unknown thing happens out there that confounds it. There's no way to adjust for that or to take that into consideration. So you just have to accept the loss and move on. But over time, you should be able to figure out what is the best orientation for various conditions that you should put yourself in. When to expand your exposure to risk and when to contract. When you have higher confidence, when you have lower confidence. And that's really what you're trying to achieve. I had lower confidence right now, so I contract my overall risk, my exposure to risk. Okay, so I lost $72 today. Big friggin' deal. I haven't lost it yet because who knows? Today could just totally turn. You never know. I'm resigned to that fact. And I put on that risk, that defined risk for that very purpose so that I can control my drawdown, control the volatility of my returns. I know that if I just keep on following my own personal playbook, that it works out. And it has over thousands of trades. Oh, it wasn't perfect in the beginning. And of course, during that time, first starting it was going through a plethora of different market types too. It's taken me years to develop my ideal approach to any particular market because I've seen these markets over and over again. This particular market is all new territory to me, right? The only commonality it has with other previous markets is that it's reaching all-time highs. But the whole set of circumstances that are the context of that market is very different from previous market. And I think the biggest defining factor right now is this unusual situation that we're in with an election year and a lot of other unknowns that could be having some impact, but I have no way to measure that right now. Is it having impact? Is it not having impact? It's hard to believe that it doesn't have some sort of impact. It's all learning. So my confidence is still low while we're in that kind of situation because I don't understand. And so that's why I'm trading smaller.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button below. If there's any questions that you might have for Coach Ernie, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Thanks guys.